Dr. Dayil, if you can hear me, I just wanted to find out because the numbers that we have out there does not suggest that the issue of gender-based violence is going down. It actually suggests that it's on the increase. So do you see a policy issue here? Is there any way that policy intervention can help to drop the numbers, in your opinion?
Well, thank you very much for having me. And I want to join my previous contributors, Dr. Leo Benzis and the Mandate Secretary, to say that yes, actually, GBV is actually on the increase, but we don't really lack laws. Permit me to mention a few of the laws that are directed at preventing GBV in Nigeria, and I think the very famous one, which is still very current, is the VAP Act, which is the Violence Against Persons Provision Act. We also have the Criminal Code in Southern Nigeria and the Penal Code in Northern Nigeria. We have the Child's Rights Act. We have the Trafficking in Persons Provision Enforcement and Administration Act of 2015. We also have NAPTIF, the National Gender Policy, the Sexual Harassment in Tertiary Education Institutional Prohibition Act of 2021, I think. And also we have several state-level domestic laws aimed at addressing violence against persons in either our tertiary institutions or in our workplaces, or whether it is emotional violence or cultural violence or sexual exploitation and trafficking, or online or technology facilitated violence, because this violence become in different forms. And until we understand them, we will not handle them. So compartmentalizing the forms of violence becomes very key, because when you're dealing with sexual violence, you need to know the right forms of interventions to handle that. When you're dealing with emotional and psychological violence, which is not sometimes too very often open for people to know it exists, but it's very prevalent, you will not know how to intervene. If it is cultural and traditional violence, you need to understand how that operates so you can know how to intervene.